and welcome to day 5, our last computing lesson for this week. You're going to have a look at abstraction today. Now, abstraction is a really important skill in computing because we've got to be able to focus on the main ideas. So to help us with that, I've got an example of a cat here. So one thing we know about cats is that they all have some general characteristics, some things that are common to all of them. For example, they've all got 2 eyes, they've got a tail, they have 4 legs, a fur, a liking for fish, and the ability to make meowing sounds. So we know that all of the cats have those features. But in addition, there are some specific characteristics, the things that just some of them have. Some of them have black fur, a long tail, green eyes, a love of salmon, and a loud meow. For abstraction, we've got to be able to really focus on just the details that we need. So what I'd like you to do is to read this through and decide which information do we need to explain to someone how to draw a cat. Have a little pause of the video while you read that through and you're looking for what information do we really need to be able to draw a cat. When you're ready to carry on, just press play again. We've got lots of information here about cats. We've got so much. Let's have another read through, and as we go I will highlight the things that we really need to know, and that is abstraction. That's the skill that we're practicing today. Cats have general characteristics which are common to all cats. For example, 2 eyes. Well, we need to know they've got 2 eyes to draw them. A tail, yes, we need to know that. 4 legs, we definitely need to know that if we are going to draw one. Fur, yes, we need to know that. A liking for fish. Well, if we're drawing a cat, we don't really need to know that they like fish. And the ability to make meowing sounds. Again, if we're drawing one, we don't really need to know that. In addition, each cat has specific characteristics, such as black fur. Now that's useful, but not all cats have black fur, so that's not a piece of information that we need to get. A long tail. Yeah, I think all cats have a long tail, certainly most of them. Green eyes. Well, I know not all cats have that. A love of salmon and a loud meow. Well, some cats might not like fish, some cats might be quiet. So if we are abstracting the information we need about cats, we know. Let's have a look. They've got 2 eyes, a tail, 4 legs, fur, and it's a long tail. So we could use that information to find what we need to tell someone how to draw a cat. You're going to write a shopping list today to practice those skills. It's going to be a shopping list to buy the ingredients for making a cake. Maybe you've been doing some baking while school has been closed. I've baked a couple of things. Haven't been able to find flour, so I've been using some mixers and just adding the things that they need. But what I want you to do now is find the shopping list page in your pack. It looks like this. You're going to read the recipe and underline the different ingredients. Got those down here, and then once you've underlined all the ingredients, all the things that you need, you're going to add them onto the shopping list. So let's have a look. Heat the oven to 180 degrees. Now that doesn't actually have any ingredients in there, nothing that I would need to buy, so we'll carry on. Beat the butter and sugar together. Well, I've got 2 things here, 2 pieces of information about what I need. We've got butter and we've got sugar. So I've highlighted them there. You could colour them in, you could underline them. Carry on reading through the recipe and make your shopping list. Pause the video while you do that and then carry on when you're ready. When you've done your shopping list, maybe you want to go and buy some of those, maybe have a go at making a cake. You can find lots of recipes online, and then there are some more ideas here for your parents and carers that they might want to do with you. Enjoy. If you do bake anything, send me a photo. I'd love to see it, and I will speak to you next time. That's the end of these computing lessons for this week. Take care.